You know the shake in your own voice? The kind that you can't seem to control? Welcome to the Evolve Well House. Today, we're in the Lead Well room. Come on in. The first time I addressed a fairly large new team, my voice would not stop trembling. I was confused and upset at myself. I had experience. I had confidently led a business before, so I couldn't understand why I was so nervous. But I noticed something shifted over time. Speaking became natural, even enjoyable. I look forward to having those meetings. And I realized something important. Confidence didn't come from my knowledge or position. It came from caring about the people in the room more than how I was being perceived. The more that I understood and cared for my audience, my voice steadied, and my audience became more receptive. So I'll leave you with this to reflect on. What might change in your voice and in your audience if you spoke from care instead of performance?